Hello guys, this is Ben K from Brown Swiss Capital. So I've been trying out this indicator based strategy which I'm strictly testing on V75. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly explain how it works. So you'll have to open two charts, M15 and M5, 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so first things first, we have some quite bit of indicators, and at the bottom we have the MACD, the MACD, and we have some moving averages, okay, and some other trend indicators, okay, and some dots, okay, which are indicating whether up or down or whatever. So this is how you trade with this strategy. So remember yesterday I took this sell, the one on the previous video. Okay, so whenever on the 15 minutes time frame, whenever you see or you have a dot, okay, whether up or down, okay, let's use the current market price. So here a dot appeared. Immediately it appears, it will correspond with the M5. As you can see, this is where the dot came out on M15. So here the same dot will appear on M5. Okay, so we are using the 15 minutes time frame to get signals, but we enter on the 5 minutes time frame. So you wait for the dot here and then you enter. As you can notice, these are like Heiken-Ashi candles, meaning they will not change until like a trend reversal is confirmed. Okay, as you can see, they've been going up even though we have pullbacks which are obviously bearish candlestick, but it won't change up until the system detects that now there is a potential reversal in the trend. Okay, so the dot pops up on M15, and then here you wait for this kind of wave indie thing. Okay, as you can see, it started to change the trend. Confirmation number one. Then you use this trend indicator. As it cuts below this MA50, when it cuts below, and we wait finally when the candlesticks change from bullish to bearish. I know this is a bearish candle, but I meant with the color. Like I mentioned, these are Heiken-Ashi. Okay, so the moment it changes from a bullish market to a bearish market, immediately after the candle closes, you jump in. Okay, right there, you'll enter after this 5 minutes candle closes. All right, so this will be your entry, and you can exit using two rules. Okay, using this trend indicator, this blue one, it means here it's kind of pink. Okay, when it changes from blue to pink, it can use it to exit the market, or you can use the MACD when it changes from red, when it prints a bullish candlestick, which is green here, a bullish bar. When it pops up here, you exit on this move. All right, you'll exit on this move. So let's take a bullish example. Okay, so here a dot appeared here, so we do what? We switch to M5. Here a dot also appeared. The wave changed from sort of orange to green, and then the trend indicator, pink cuts the M50, and we wait for the moment it changes from bearish to bullish, red to green. So after this green candlestick closes here, we jump back in. Our exit is, like I said, is when can use two options, which can be when it changes from the trend indicator from pink to blue. So if you see the pink to blue, you'll exit where my line is, and you could have entered here. Okay, or you can opt to use the MACD. So you'll have to define your trading rules here. You'll only exit, you'll ride this whole wave, this whole move. You'll exit only here when you see a change from a bullish momentum, and when it prints a bearish bar. So you'll exit. Okay, that's where you exit, and you would have taken this whole move. Okay, so it's up to you whether you stick to using the trend indicator. As you can see, this was just a pullback and it kept going up. Okay, so or you can use the MACD. So it's up to you. So that's how you use it. And you might be asking, we have some type of range here. Still, there was a bar which popped out. So this bar corresponds with this bar. So this bar here, it will correspond with this bar here. Okay, so you'll enter when after the bullish candle closes here. Okay, after it closes here, this is your entry, and as you can see, it immediately changed from pink to green to blue. That means you exit, you don't hold. Okay, so but it will depend on your rules. Same here, if you are following the MACD, you enter when it's green, and when it prints that first bearish bar, you exit. So you close in very small losses. Okay, same here, we have a red dot which corresponds with this one, this dot here. Okay, so you would have entered here, entered here after the bearish candle closes, and you would have held this trade, and you would have suffered a small pullback here. It won't be that much loss. Then immediately it came back, and you exit when it changes from a blue to pink. You exit, or you wait for it using the MACD to change from red, and it prints that first green bar. You exit. Okay, so that's how you trade the strategy. If you are interested in the system, hit me up at BSK admin or at Brown Swiss Capital team.